Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, open CapCut. Go to New Project and add 3 or 4 different video clips. Now select Format 9:16. Now keep the required part from your videos around 3 seconds. And delete the rest of the part from video which is not required. Adjust video to full screen if it's not. Now keep the required part. Now delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now adjust the clips to this time duration. Now apply transition. Scroll left and apply blur effect. Set duration to 0.1 second and tap on apply to all. Now apply effect. Swipe right and go to retro. Now choose any effect you like. Now apply effect to full video. Now check your video. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.